Okay, the first thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap. That's going to help our crankcase vent properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using a 17mm socket, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is the time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you're going to want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Once the oil is finished draining, we'll go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt, and this time we'll torque it to 22 foot-pounds. To get access to our oil filter, we need to remove the lower fairing on the motorcycle. To do that, it's held in place with 3 6mm Allens and 2 push pins in the front. The owner of this motorcycle didn't have the pins, and they supplemented with 2 different bolts. So just check yours. And it simply just lifts out of the way. Now, using the 64mm oil filter wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the oil filter. It simply just unthreads, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Now, before we install our new oil filter, it's a good idea to put a thin coat of oil around the gasket. That's going to help removing it on our next service a lot easier. And we simply just tighten it back in place and torque this to 12 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Kawasaki states that this unit holds 2 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. You can use any manufacturer here as long as it's designed for a wet clutch system. When we filled it with oil, we'll go ahead and put our oil fill cap back in place, snug it down, and now we're going to start the motorcycle up. Let it idle for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's done that, we'll go ahead and shut the engine off and let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. That way we can get an accurate oil level. Now, on the right side of the motorcycle, close to the rear brake, you're going to see a sight glass. We want our engine oil level to be the middle to upper part. And this looks great, so let's hit the road.